Hey crochet lovers, welcome to ABC All About Crochet and More. In today's tutorial we will going to learn the super easy beaded flowers. For this we will need these beads. You can take even the smaller size of beads and cotton 3-ply yarn and a crochet hook of size 1.90 mm, darning needle. And let's start the super easy one. For this, very first thing I'm going to do is I am going to add these beads inside in this thread. So without the help of a needle, I can directly insert it here. You can as well do it with the help of the needle here. Okay. So likewise you have to add these here. Okay, so here I have added 6 of beads. You can add as many as you want, the more bigger size of flower if you want. And likewise I will tie it here. The way I'm tying it here, you also have to tie, which is very easy to make, to tie it here. And now we will start working. We'll cut the extra tail and we will keep hiding it as we move on with the project. Alright, with the help of my hook, I'll first grab the yarn and make a chain stitch to tie it. Now I'm going to make 4 more chain stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a single crochet over this bead here, like this. In between the 2 beads I'll make a single crochet. Likewise for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, single crochet over the next bead or between the 2 beads. Same way I'll complete the whole circle with the 6 beads here. So here I've made my last 5 chains and I'm going to do a slip stitch on the very first chain stitch we have made at the start of the round, like this. Now inserting my hook in the first 5 chain space and making a slip stitch here, I'll make 4 chains up, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'll make a puff stitch here. Inserting my hook, grabbing the yarn, pulling it through this height. Inserting my hook, grabbing the yarn, pulling it to the height. Likewise, I'll do 5 times. This is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Now, grabbing the yarn, pulling through all the loops on my hook, like this, and locking it with chain 1. Now I'm going to do chain for 1, 2, 3, 4 and making a slip stitch in the very first here hole here and slip stitch. 2 more times I'll repeat the same thing. 1, 2, 3 and 4, inserting the hook in this loop above and making a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again I'll make 1 more slip stitch here in the hole, like this. So it's a kind of mini flower here. And now I'm going to make chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch in the same chain 5 space where we have made the puff stitch, like this. So our first petal is, flower petal is ready. Now inserting my hook in the next chain 5 space and making a slip stitch here and repeating the petal 1 procedure. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, making a puff stitch with 5 stitches above. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Locking it with chain 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 chain slip stitch. We'll make a flower of 4 chain slip stitch 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. slip stitch here, again 1, 2, 3 and 4, and a slip stitch here. So we have made this flower above, and now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and slip stitch in the chain 5 space where we have made a puff stitch. So likewise I'll complete rest of the 4 petals, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'll see you after that. So here I've completed my last petal. I'm going to make a slip stitch here in the very first stitch, slip stitch, and I'll cut this yarn and hide the tail afterwards. So this is how our beaded flower looks like. Isn't it super easy? So go ahead and make as many as you want. The super easy beaded flowers, and do let me know in the comment how you like it, and do not forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, happy crocheting.